What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be running away from my fans in Animal Company in the office. Let's go! And also, if you ever want to join, make sure to join the code RMJ. Let's get straight into the video now. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to run to office for like a minute, and then y'all come hunt me down. Remember, no RPGs, and I'm only going to use this to run. Alright, no fouls counting, please. Alright, I'm going to run in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, they're counting fast. They're like basically cheating. I already wasted all my stuff. Oh. I know some of them are gonna cheat. I need to go to different channels so they don't see me. Go to 8. Alright, I gotta run, bro. I don't have nothing. They have like everything. Let me tell them real fast. Remember, no RPGs. What's the place normally we go? This way. Oh, I'm scared. Sorry, I didn't mean to cuss. It hasn't been a minute. It hasn't been a minute. They're cheating. It hasn't been a minute, bro. They came as soon, bro. Where are they counting? 1, 2, 3, ABC? Bro, I'm so scared. I don't have nothing. I should try to find somewhere to hide. I need to back up or get on here, because there might be, y'all know. A guy. Close that so they don't come. Oh, yeah, this is the part where we go back. Nope. Nope. Go back. Go back. If I die, y'all, oh, let's hide here. It's gonna be awesome. This guy's gonna get me killed. He's gonna get me killed. You're gonna get me killed. Get away, bro. Get away. This guy's gonna get me killed. You think you're so funny. You think you're funny. Now I'm gonna die because of you, stupid. I can hide up here. Over here. Okay. We gotta be quiet. Bro, they're all hunting for me. I know one of them's gonna cheat. Don't rat me out, bro. Be quiet. Dang it, you camping. This fatty, bro. Stop camping. Watch out.
Yo, hello? Yo, I'm over here. Did you kill him? Where are you? I'm over here. Oh, you're right there. Imagine he's just hiding at spawn somewhere. Yo, where are you? Where'd you go? Right here.
Right there. Bro, they're right there. I'm so cooked. They're still here. Get out! I need a cough. Waiting for them to leave. Bro, come on, come on. Come stay. Bro, I gotta be quiet, I'm so cooked that they're here. Go back. They're all over here. I just realized that's the middle. They're all over there. Go back. Back. I can literally hear them. And we're going back. And we are going back. Are you scaring me, bro? I'm gonna die. Maybe he's gone. Let's go back. Hey, yo. Sorry. No! Go back. Okay, we can't go over there. Man. We're cooked now. Bro, this is so stupid. I hate this guy. I hate him. I'm so cooked. He's gonna be right here, isn't he? He's gone. Someone's coming. I'm gonna juke him. Come on, buddy. Bro, you know you're... Come on. You made it in. Get twisted. I don't hear anyone. Boo. I'm so confused. So cooked. Dang it. Get juked. He's cooked. No way, we made it back. Please, I don't want to get killed. No way, Nick. Just in case. Let's go. I think we survived. My fans don't kill me. I might have made it. Please. Bro, I died. Well, hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And goodbye.